Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a multi-language store on Shopify. Now this is an easy tutorial and quick. All you have to do, guys, you want to go to your own Shopify store and you need to log in, and then after that, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. And after that, guys, you want to search or you want to look for languages. As you can see here, click on it, and then here it will take you guys to this page. As you can see here, it says speak your customer's language, and also the conversion rate is going to be 13% higher, and also it's free and takes only a few minutes. So what you guys need, you want to click on add language, and here you want to select the language that you want to translate to, and okay, you can do this for as many languages as you want. Okay, this is the first language that you want to target with your Shopify store. So for example, I want to target French. I want to translate all my products to French. If someone from France, so they can use their own language, which is French. So I'm going to click on add. Like I said, you can add here any language you want and click on add. So after, guys, you click on add, what you guys need to do next, as you can see, it says here French and no translation added. Now what you guys need, you want to click on translate, and then you want to click on translate and adapt. After that, guys, it will take you guys directly to your Shopify, as you can see here. And here what you guys need is you can change localized content French. So you can change the collections. For example, you can change them to French. Okay, you want to click on I to translate, and everything will change. For example, the collections, and then you want to click on save. Okay, I want to click on save. As you can see, I don't have any collections right now. So for example, products, I have one product, as you can change this whole product to French. Okay, for example, you can either do this manually, you can use the Google Translator. So for example, I'm going to use that right now. This is just an example. You can do this automatically if you want. I'm going to select French, as you can see here. So if you add it here manually, this is what people are going to see if they are from France, for example. Okay, as you can see, if you think that the ITO translate that you can see here is not correct, you can then do it manually. Okay, for example, the description, you can do it manually too. So we are glad, for example, you can just click on ITO translate, and this whole thing will be translated to. Okay, you are about to use automatic translation for French. This will be the first of your 2 free languages. After French, you can auto translate into one more language. Okay, you want to click on translate. As you can see, translating in French, and everything has translated to French, as you can see. So people from France, they will be able to see the translated product page, as you can see. Now what you need to do, guys, translate across. Okay, so I'm just going to try international, adapt international content to English. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, you want to click on save in the top right, and then you want to go back. You can also translate the blog titles, for example. You can translate the, let me check here, pages. You can translate the pages. You can translate, for example, filters. You can translate everything here. Shipping and delivery. Okay, you just need to click on I to translate, and that's it. Now to activate this, because this is not activated yet, I'm going to, for example, blog posts. You can translate blog posts, as you can see here. And after, guys, you auto translate everything, or you can translate the whole thing. You just need to click on auto translate, click on translate. As you can see, your whole story is going to be translated. Now what you guys need to do is you need to first go to settings, okay, and you need to publish this language. You want to go to settings. After you translate, click on languages, and as you can see, you want to click on publish. Like, you want to click on these three little dots in front of French or any language here. By the way, you can add as many languages as you want. For example, you can just click on add language here. That's it. You want to click on these three little dots, click on publish, and as you can see, French published. This is to make this language available to customers, enable it in any markets where you want it to be published. So if you don't have this this language in market, you just need to go to market, and you want to click on add market, and you want to select here France or whatever language you want. I'm going to select here France, as you can see. Okay, add market, just name the market. Okay, customers won't be able to see this. Add market. Okay, so after you do that, guys, now each time someone visits your Shopify store, you will be able, guys, to translate to the language. Okay, I'm going to show you guys right now. So as you can see here, you will be able, guys, to see English and French. Okay, as you can see, before you only see here English. Now customers from, for example, France, you will be able to click to select here English or French, and then you will be able, guys, to enjoy the whole translated, as you can see, store. Now everything is translated now to French. If you click on the product, as you can see, everything now is in French. But make sure you add that country to the market, which is France. You want to add it to the market. Okay, so I hope, guys, this video helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. Drop a like if you have any questions. I reply to every comment. See you guys next video.